What's the difference between major and minor key diatonic triads? To review, diatonic triads are any triads we get by taking a particular key, laying out all the scale degrees in that key, 1 through 7, and then just building triads over them using only the notes in that key's scale and key signature. That seems pretty straightforward, right? And in major keys it is. However, since we have 3 different types of minor scale, natural, harmonic, and melodic, which type do we use for triad building within a minor key? Well, in short, we generally use the harmonic minor. That makes sense when we're building harmonies, right? Harmonic minor, harmonies. Diatonic triads in C minor. Since we first reviewed the diatonic triads in C major in Lesson 3, let's contrast these with C minor in this lesson. First, let's review what the C harmonic minor scale looks like so we know what notes we're going to use for the triads. So we'll have E flat and A flat, but when we need the note that's normally B flat to be a leading tone, pulling us up to 1, we are going to raise it to B natural. That will give us this assortment of diatonic triads in C minor. You may be wondering why we didn't raise the B flat to B natural in the 3 chord though. Well, what kind of chord quality would we get if we did make it B natural? Yes, it would be augmented, which appears pretty rarely in classical music. So most of the time, your 3 chords in minor keys will actually be major triads, and we won't bother to raise that scale degree 7. For the 5 and 7 chords, though, we do raise it. As with this 3 chord, you're probably starting to notice that most of the triads are now different qualities from the ones over the same scale degrees in major keys. This is a really important thing to note, so let's go over each one. Our 1 chord, the tonic, is minor, as one may expect in a minor key. How about our 2 chord, the supertonic? What quality is this? Yes, it's diminished. D to A flat is a diminished 5th. Now, we have the mediant 3 chord, which is major, as we already mentioned. This is also the relative major key, meaning that this key and the tonic minor share the same key signature. Both C minor and E flat major have 3 flats in the key signature. Let's look at the subdominant, the 4 chord now. What quality is this? Yes, it's minor. The subdominant and tonic in any key will always be the same quality. So if 1 is major, 4 will be major, and if 1 is minor, then 4 will be minor as well. Now how about our 5? As we mentioned, we will be raising scale degree 7 within this chord. What does that do to the chord? Yes, it makes it major. Without the raised scale degree 7, making a normal B flat a B natural instead, we'd have a G minor chord. But here, and in most contexts, we're making it major. How about the submediant 6? Yes, it's major. The tonic and submediant will always be the opposite quality, so a major tonic has a minor submediant and a minor tonic has a major submediant. How about the leading tone triad 7? Yes, because we raised that scale degree 7, the leading tone itself, this squeezed the root and the 5th, the top note or F, closer together, meaning we now have a diminished 5th and a diminished triad. Occasionally in minor key music you may see a major 7 chord where we didn't raise scale degree 7, but the raised leading tone kind is more common.